Mr. Joseph, can you tell us about Jet Systems and the bus you guys are making and why you are actually making it?
Okay. Jet System is a Nigerian company, an indigenous company, an auto company that's established to provide mobility solution not only to Nigerians, but to African markets in general.
Oh, okay. So you guys have buses?
Yes, we have buses.
So why do you think we need made in Nigeria buses?
Yeah, we need
Vehicles.
made in Nigerian buses for specific reasons. Number one, we have buses plying Nigerian road that are made in Asia, Europe, America. These ones are not specific to Nigeria. They were not designed based on Nigerian terrain. So we understand Nigerian terrain, and we know that we visited some manufacturing companies abroad, and we see the way they simulate bad road. So we look at them and we say, no, this is not Nigeria road. So we came here. So we came here, we understand Nigerian road. We said we need vehicle that suits us, that are unique to Nigeria and specific to Nigeria. So these vehicles are specific to Nigeria and they are unique to us. So we need them. Apart from that, we cannot be developing other countries' economy. This is Nigeria. We have youths that are looking for job. We need to have a locally made here, have assembly here, where we can employ youths. We need to transfer technology. The world is changing. And when you notice where the world is going, where mobility is going, where transportation is going, if we refuse to change and start producing our own, then we'll be left behind. And that's what we don't want.
Nice. So, I mean, you talk about you guys traveling over there. Can you tell us about the team behind Jet Systems?
Oh, the team we have, local investors and the global investors. They came together and they brought together a team carefully selected from different backgrounds. Our team have different backgrounds. We have people from financial background, tech, that's IT, innovation, mechanical people, and we all came together to power this innovation. We call it innovation because it's unique. So we have local and foreign investors.
So you guys, you have Jet Mover, which
Yes.
is actually a bus. Why not Fast Car? Why did you guys go with that one first?
Okay, we have Jet Mover, which is a commercial van. We need to start from what we understand, and we need to start from what people we associate with immediately. We notice that most of the transportation company, they have some specific type of buses they are using. And we notice because of the exchange rate, some of them are moving to other type of vehicle that are not strong enough for Nigerian road. And we know this one have already market, which is bus. And that's why we go into the commercial van first. Mind you, when I say commercial van first, we have different varieties of this. We have the one we can customize as bullion van. We can customize for security, and we have the one we can customize for logistics. So we have vans that can suit different purposes, especially in Nigeria.
So are your vans, are they bulletproof?
No, they are not bulletproof. They are not bulletproof. But there is something I need to talk about the van. Yeah. If you look at the vans we have on Nigerian road, they are generic. Our own combine luxury with comfort, safety, luxury, comfort.
Nice.
And you get all this total package at a very avoidable price. So when you travel, you see people travel for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, in fact, 9, 12 hours to Abuja, Kaduna. And if you are in a vehicle that is not comfortable, the journey could be terrible. So we see, no, we don't need to endure our journey. We need to enjoy it. And because of that, we come with an entertainment system.
Okay, so entertainment, is it a general screen?
No, not a general screen. Individual seats have their own entertainment system.
Oh, like I'm in a flight. So like I'm flying, right? Like I'm in a plane.
Oh yeah, you don't even need. It's just like you are flying, really. It's just as if you are inside plane.
Oh, nice.
You can take a look outside.
Okay, so you can take a look outside. He actually parked there. So let's go to the future. What's the future like? What are you guys trying to build? What are you guys going to build beyond buses? What is the future like for jet systems?
Yeah, when we talk about future, sometimes if you are a bit pessimistic, you look and say, "Oh, it's scary." Why do I say that? That is, you are pessimistic. But for us, we are not, because we know where the future of transportation and where the future of mobility is going. In the next 15, 20, 25 years, fossil oil motor vehicle will not be available on the market, will not be on the road. And then we need to start planning. What are we going to do? People are moving to electric vehicle. You think it is not possible. Oh, it's not possible in Nigeria. But you notice what technology, telecom revolution caused in Nigeria. The same way, electric vehicle is going to come, and we don't want to take us by surprise. So the future is we've started now researching into electric vehicle. We have our design, we have everything in place, but there is still something.
What's the thing?
The auto policy of Nigeria currently may not support that, and apart from that, we need improved power supply.
Okay, so doctors spoke on energy. Maybe we will try that later. Maybe most of the stations are going to be grid powered. Let's see. So because of time, I want you to talk about the government. You mentioned the policy, the auto policy in Nigeria. What are the things that you think government should be doing to support people like you?
Yeah, the auto policy of the government, we all know it's not working currently. And we need government to review it. We need to look at the auto policy, because if you go to a country like India, they streamline the type of buses, the type of vehicle that come into the country. Then we need the government support. You need government patronage. It should not be a policy on the paper. It should be a policy that everybody will associate with. And when we have that, then we can start growing. And apart from that, we are going to electric vehicle. You cannot go into electric vehicle when there is no electricity to charge the battery. So all this one have to be in place. Again, you could come up with tax relief for auto company. You can say, instead of saying pioneer company status, no, you can come up with something like 10 years tax rebate, tax relief, where the companies that manufacture this vehicle can submit the number of vehicles they have manufactured, the number of employees they have, and based on that, government can give them some incentive. Go to a country like China, for example. When they manufacture electric vehicle, the government give them subsidy. So you see that the price they can sell outside is even lower than what they sell inside because of the subsidy they are getting from government. These are the kind of support we want from our own government.
Okay, thank you. I think the way we talk about government, we need to organize a conference for them to meet with every one of you guys. So during the break, you can actually see the bus there. You need to experience it yourself. Thank you, Mr. Joseph, for coming.
Thank you very much.